Yo, what is going on, guys? We are back here with the 929. We got front fairing stay installed. Gauge cluster is working again. Shout out to RK Motorsports. He was able to help me out a bit, do a few of the touch-ups here. He also helped me out with this thing. No longer squeezing here. He did a little relocation. The grip now matches that perfectly. We weren't able to figure this out because there's supposed to be a whole nother part right here that goes to the Scott's steering stabilizer, but apparently that's missing. I never got that with the bike, so that's basically useless. Apparently I had this axle on backwards, so that got flipped back. Moving on to this side, this thing right here was squirting all of the engine ice coolant everywhere. As you can see, there's literally some right there. I gotta wipe it off. What he did was he moved this down lower right here, and now it's good. It seems to be all functioning right. Also got a rebuild on the front bearing here, so now when I press the front brake, it's no longer like a little space type of a feeling there. I can't really explain it, but eventually next spring I'm going to do the Brembo brake master cylinder and clutch master cylinder, but that'll be next spring. I'll probably end up getting a new wire harness and stuff too. Oh, front brake master cylinder was supposed to get a rebuild kit, but apparently this isn't the OEM one or something, or he couldn't figure it out, so he just cleaned the one that's in here. And also the rear brake got a rebuild, so that's good now. That works. The only issue is putting the two ram air things in here. I think I lost one of them, but in any case, even if I find the other one, I think it interferes with the turning radius here, so I'm hoping when I throw all the plastics on, all of this will be good, but we'll see. But that's pretty much where we're at now, is throwing on all these plastics. And I'll just give you guys a couple B-rolls of the bike now, and then yeah, onto the new look.
Yeah. Turn up a little bit, please. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. From the moment that I told myself I do this for the rest of my days, irregardless of the plays or the fame or the fortune, I'm working with a vision. I feel that I'm more important. Fantasy I have it when I wake up to reality and realize I really ain't shit. When it is a poet, dispose of many emotions. Supposedly all the pain is the part that makes it relatable. Opinions I don't need them, you might as well keep them. I always do me and I never make an apology. Appropriate the policy properly. This a positive proposition. Gradually I progressed and graduated within your actions. I'm actually reacting, relaxing. This for the weekend. The faint of heart that I'm parted away from the negativity. Energies and anomaly. Modesty's a commodity. Only if I could ever give is legendary. The type of focus they remember for centuries. Documented is the greatest that ever did it, but different than most. We had ulterior motives and motivating, subdue, assuming intentions were the purest they could possibly be. A monster to see, I plant a seed and watch it grow from the earth. I pass on any type of judgment, they don't know me at all. You look confused from my view, I do whatever I choose. So in control, I can see that it's hopeless.